Barzaga is a textbook nepo baby and a traditional politician. He just showed his true colors when he tried to challenge Romualdez for the speakership. No, he just wanted that power for himself. He has nothing to show. No, pati yung pamilya niya sa Dasmariñas, they have nothing to show. Kasi there has been no development whatsoever sa Dasmariñas. Isa rin yan sa mga binabaha tuwing may bagyo. No? From supporting VP Leni Robredo back in 2016, he then shifted and campaigned for Bongbong Marcos in 2022. And now, noong nakakuha siya ng konting clout from Duterte supporters, he is now basically the poster boy of the DDS in Congress. Kasi kino-compare siya ng mga DDS kay Vico Soto, Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto, no? Na yes, in essence, by definition, they are both nepo babies. Pero Vico Soto has strayed away from traditional politics, no? While Kiko Barzaga is the embodiment of being a trapo.